to another video. We are bringing the G80 out. Haven't driven this thing in a minute, bro. It's been a while. Also, look, before we get too far, we got the new merch on, the new camo tees, which are gonna go crazy this Friday. This Friday, October 24th, the new merch is dropping. 4 new shirts, 1 new hoodie. I cannot wait. And I know you guys can't either, bro. It's gonna sell fast. I'm bringing the hoodie with me because we're probably gonna shoot the merch tonight, but this is the hoodie, Go Faster design in the back. And then on the front, we got the FN Racing. And if you guys thought my last hoodies were good quality, just wait till you guys get these. We stepped up the quality on the hoodies. As you guys can see, there's like no little strings right here. Like, I want it to look really like streetwear or a hoodie that I personally will wear all the time. So again, if you guys thought my last hoodies were good, just wait till you guys cop this one. All of this is dropping on Friday, guys, so don't miss out. Set your reminders, 12 p.m. because it is gonna sell out. And I always get the DMs of people saying, are you gonna redrop them? I missed out, can you please make more? Once it sells out, it's gone, so do not sleep on the drop this Friday. Anyways, we're hopping in the G80. I have not driven this car in so long, but we're bringing it out because if you guys saw in the last video, at the very end of the vlog, only the real ones probably got to the end. Woo! But Srt Len is here in LA. I met him at the end of the last vlog and all you guys were hyped. You guys were like, bro, you gotta collab with him. You gotta make a video. So that's what we're about to do today. I don't know what we're gonna get into, but I heard there's like 10 G80s outside. So let's go meet up with Len. Then tonight, I gotta shoot this merch. I'm trying to film like a super cool little commercial with a BMW bike and my BMW G80. Wait for it, I'll show you guys later on.
Your boys are behind you?
Bro, I think you're bad luck. That was a cops already behind us. But I haven't driven this car in so long, it feels weird.
Clutch is too heavy for you? Oh shit.
Oh.
Yeah, don't stall now, bro. Just in case this YouTube don't work out, there's always Popeyes.
I'll be eating all the biscuits.
You'll get paid in biscuits?
Bro, am I gonna scrape?
Yeah, you are gonna scrape for sure. Bro,
I didn't think it was that bad. Oh my! I feel like I might explode. Way too much.
Still eating?
It's so good though. Bro, him and the California cops aren't gonna get along.
Oh, we were just talking to a 6 right now.
Really?
Yeah.
What they say? I don't know. It's only like 700 or something. 700. It's not like yours. It's like half of yours. Half. Half of us. Wow.
Brooklyn grade?
Yeah, it's Brooklyn grade. It's not as fast as his, you know. He got like 1400, huh? It's literally double of mine, bro.
I saw online that he has the fastest BMW that, I mean, he's not a shop.
Yeah.
But,
like by himself.
yeah, by himself. Yeah.
Fastest YouTuber.
That flame was sick.
You shot a flame for real?
Yeah, it shot a flame. I didn't record.
I haven't even seen him, you know?
Bro, it was a huge flame.
Got Len here. Got my boy Kevin here too with the Track Hawk. You should have shipped your car over here.
That's coming soon. I need a. This was last minute. I'm not even supposed to be here.
You like it down here or not?
Yeah, that's hard. I like it. The scenery's tough.
So I think like 10 more G's about to pull up. And this fool got a clear hood. Look at it. It's pretty tight. This shit hard. I want to do this color. It's kind of played out right now, but it looks good. Yeah, Ruby Star. I think on the E92. E92 would be fire with that color. I should have bought the R8. Why didn't I bring it, bro? I drive it too much though, but...
Nah, bro, the rental company's mad, bro. They said too many miles.
But Len was like, bro, you should have bought the R8. I should have brought it, dude, to show him. Look who's pulling up. Dude, that shit's insane. You guys have been seeing this guy's car in like every one of my vlogs. Damn, he pulled up with everybody.
Yes, sir.
Bro, you brought the whole squad out here on.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. Jeez, this one's tough. I have not seen this before. Damn. Even the CS. Oh boy, Rich. That's the baller spec. This is tough, bro. The hood. And maybe I did bring the right car. I would have been really left out in the RA.
I don't think left out.
God damn. The red one's nice. I see the red one back there. You see the two different headlights? You put a red DRL and a white DRL. This color's nice, dude. Oh, I have seen this one then.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember. Bro, this color's hard, bro. Look at this plate. With the white interior and the buckets all over me.
What's up, bro?
Can we trade cars today?
Yes, bro. Let's trade. You brought your G80 or you brought your R8?
I bought the G80.
Yes,
finally, but I
yes,
never
sir.
bring it out.
Bro, you need to show more love to it.
I know,
bro.
I really never drive it.
Yes, bro. We're all like literally in G80, but you know, Srt Len, he's got his G80 too.
That's why I
bro.
had to bring it today.
Yeah.
You brought everybody.
Yes, bro. It took a minute, but I brought everybody. I literally hit up all my friends like,
Really?
yo, Srt Len's gonna be out here. Let's make a video,
Yeah,
bro.
that's tight. Man, they got a whole music video set up.
If you want to pull it a
at
little bit
this.
closer, it'll probably
the
be
headlights
better
are
for the
tough, though.
shot.
What, those? This dude only got one
Your
headlight.
car's over there if you want to.
Look, I spoke too soon. There's a freaking R8 here, bro. No way. This makes me want to go back home and get my R8. I might have to. I'm only like 20 minutes away. I might go swap cars real quick. I guess they're filming a little music video, like I said.
Bob Johnny, I'm outside.
I got an idea. I'm about to hop in the music video right now. Watch. I don't think you're ready for this.
You got the shiesty? You do.
All right, look.
Bro, you look dangerous now. Just stop smiling, bro.
I feel like a completely different person with this
Yeah,
shit.
you gotta fix it a little bit. Just pull it to the side. Just can't show his face.
Should I go jump in the music video? now?
Yeah.
Squeeze bands.
Mine in too.
You have one? Nah. I'm about to take your G80.
Yes, take my G80.
Do you guys remember when I dropped these? It's been like a long time, but should I re-drop them? Yes or no?
Yes, you should.
What is that one got? LA? You're really from the hood, huh?
Bro, it looks like you're about to go hit a lick, bro. All blacked out. You're just missing gloves.
Let's go Srt Len.
What the fuck is that?
Someone tossed me a Hellcat, bro.
Yo, your ass look like Mr. Potato Head. He's not supposed to be wearing that. He's suffocating.
Why not?
He's suffocating, bro. You about to die in that bitch. Ricky Bobby made him lean and rock, man.
Remember when we did the track hog video?
That was
I
fucking
put this
sick,
on,
bro.
bro. I need a Hellcat though, still, for real.
ASAP.
I've been talking about it forever, bro.
There's one there, one here.
Which one should we,
Durango back there.
should we,
Well, which one's the easiest?
which one should we
exit?
strike?
Look, easy, right there. You pop the fuse for the alarm.
This fool knows how to do it, huh? He knows how to do it.
Way too much.
You pop you see, look, you pop these right here, then you pop so the horn don't go beep, 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 you know?
This fool's done it a couple times.
Bro, put this down, bro.
I got the red key ready,
What are
bro.
you doing? That's not him. That's not him.
Len said, you're not like that, bro.
You hear they filming?
More?
That's a homie's leg.
More of my ends?
Hell yeah.
There's hella Hellcat. They knew Len was in town, they all pulled up. I'm really gonna take one today, I think. I just gotta pick which one.
You're gonna go home with one today?
Probably this one, low key, all black.
Why, bro, just pull a Wacky Rocket V2.
I think it's tuned by Stage 4 tuning. Damn, that shit loud.
Why did it start up like that?
I don't know. Salvage. I think I want to do satin black next.
Nah, you go red.
Or red.
You gotta go red.
That red G80 is looking good, guys.
You
I
gotta-
kind of want to wrap the whole
All
fleet red now.
fleet.
Ow.
What happened?
That seat hurts, bro.
Bro, that seat has no cushion, bro. He let me drive it? That shit uncomfortable.
Just straight carbon?
Straight carbon.
I'm gonna blow it up, bro. I promise.
Are you sure? Bro, is this nigga's car okay?
That shit crazy. Stupid loud, bro.
Reliable, bro.
Len was like, I'm gonna blow it up, dude. He's like, just keep going.
This motor's like so reliable.
Bro, this one's sick, bro. This might be my favorite one here. That color with the wheel setup. shit's like gunshots, bro. What did we just find, bro? A little bit of a bite? No way. I don't know what's going on at this point. Loud environment. Alright, now it's time for that shoot I was telling you guys about. Check this out. My boy's pulling up. Woo-hoo. Bro, that shit looks crazy. BMW bike and the BMW G80. What the? We've been trying to find a black, specifically street bike to match the G80, and bro, this is the perfect bike. If my car could turn into a bike, it would probably be this. Damn. Oh yeah, this video is gonna be sick, bro. Of course, I had Jacob come out, film this. But the plan today is to film a video with him wearing the Go Faster hoodie. So you guys will see it all over Instagram, but I think this video is gonna be tough, bro. And rollers with his bike and my G80. I've always said it too, if I ever got a street bike, which I won't do it. I can't, bro. I feel like I would sadly kill myself, dude. Because I just know me, bro. I like to go fast. This is the bike, bro, that I would get. God, dude, this might be one of the hardest S1000s I've ever seen. Bro, this looks insane. It got like dry carbon everywhere, even like the wheels. Damn, bro. This shit for sure fast. But he got like a headlight delete on a bike. Jacob, he lowered it, bro. He told me it's almost hitting the floor. It is, bro. Look at that. My boy slammed the bike, dude. What is that considered? A diffuser?
Crispy, bro.
Let me see. Oh my God, Jacob. This video's gonna go crazy.
Fire or what?
Yeah, bro. What do you think about the hoodie? It's dope? It's sick, right?
It's actually pretty comfortable.
Bro, thank you, because I was telling everyone the quality is pretty crazy.
Yeah, it's actually.
I've seen a lot of people, the first time I ever dropped this hoodie, a lot of street bike guys were rocking the hoodie, which is sick. So that's why I want to focus on the street bikes. I've been wanting to like step up like the merch drop advertisement pretty much, you know, like the videos, commercial type vibe. I'm so hyped how the video's coming out. There's no way. Bro, that is ridiculous, bro. Alright, now it's the next day and we actually gotta shoot the rest of the stuff, the shirts. But look who's driving the R8. Have you driven it before?
Yeah.
When it was stock?
Yeah.
So not like this?
Nope.
Yeah, Kevin's gonna drive the R8. I'm gonna drive the G80. We're gonna get some photos with the merch and the car. I obviously have to drive the G80 because Kevin don't know how to drive manual. I get so much anxiety like letting the homies drive the cars. Even though I know they have nice cars too. I know they're careful, but anything can happen, you know? He could get pulled over. Someone else could hit him. He could break the lip. Bro, I don't know, bro. There's a lot of dumb drivers around this area too. Ugh, it just gives me anxiety. Like if I mess it up, it's me, you know? It's my car, I messed up. But I always get scared when the homies drive my cars. Although it would be cool. Like I want to bring all my cars to a car meet one day, but I'm just so scared and paranoid, dude. We're gonna shoot the camo shirt today, the brown shirt, the blue shirt, and then the black hoodie and the black shirt under here. There's a big drop this Friday, bro. I cannot wait. Wait till you guys get a hold on this one. This quality is even better than the last hoodie. I really stepped it up. I invested a little bit more money too, bro. I think it's definitely worth it though for the quality of the hoodie. I want to give you guys merch that you guys are gonna love to wear. You know what I mean? I don't want you guys to buy it and be like, oh, this is whack. Like everything I wear in the vlogs is my merch, bro. I don't even remember the last time I went shopping. Always wearing my shirts. I'm always wearing my hoodies. And I'm always wearing my hats. So I'm not gonna sell you guys anything that I don't like and that I'm not gonna wear. Just be careful for the pops, Kevin.
Is it already on sport mode or it's a dynamic?
Brother, it pops in every mode. It could be eco mode and it's still gonna pop. It's crazy, huh? That car is beautiful, dude. Look how slammed it is. Bro, chill, Kevin. Oh my God. Dude. Don't be careful because it's loud, bro. Like every time I drive that car, I gotta be on the lookout for cops, dude, because it's really loud. It looks so good though. I swear. Look, I always say this about my own cars, but I feel like you should feel that way about your own cars. I feel like I have the sickest R8, bro. I don't know. There might be some cool R8s out there, but come on, bro. Whose R8 looks like this? Kevin, shut up, bro. BBSs, all the carbon. It's about to be twin turboed soon. Dude, how much better can the R8 get? It needs the carbon hood, which we are gonna do, guys, I promise. I pretty much did everything you possibly can do to an R8. After the twin turbos, there's literally nothing else I can do to that car. I did everything. I literally have not seen my own car drive, guys. It looks insane, bro. Oh my God, look what the BBS is. Ooh. Damn. You guys saw the flame? They have all the flames, look at that. There's no way it's that loud. I'm telling you guys, I've never seen my car from the outside. This photo's gonna be crazy. Photo shoot is done, but again, we got the camo shirt, we got the blue one, we got the black one. It's like an acid black wash, acid blue wash, a hoodie that you guys saw the motorcycle guy wearing, then the brown one, which is one of my favorites, bro. I feel like the brown is just clean. I've never done one like this like a wash color.
The wash blue is sick.
Yeah, it's sick. The blue one's nice.
Yeah.
Almost. It's a little more blue.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.